Imagine waking up each day with a simple affirmation that sets the tone for unlimited abundance. Repeat these words in your mind: money flows easily to me, and I am worthy of receiving it. These powerful words, when said with intention and belief, have the ability to align your energy with wealth and success. This isn't just wishful thinking. This is about tapping into the energy of abundance and allowing it to flow into your life effortlessly. Let's explore how repeating this affirmation daily can transform your relationship with money and manifest prosperity faster than you thought possible. The law of attraction is based on the premise that your thoughts and words shape your reality. Repeating powerful affirmations is one of the easiest ways to shift your mindset and attract wealth. Every time you say the phrase, "Money flows easily to me and I am worthy of receiving it," you're reinforcing a belief that abundance is your natural state. When you repeat this affirmation, you're sending a message to the universe that you're ready to receive. The more you say it, the more it becomes ingrained in your subconscious mind, which ultimately influences your actions, decisions, and energy. Your belief in the affirmation solidifies, and the universe responds by opening doors to new financial opportunities. And this practice works because it encourages a positive, abundant mindset. Instead of focusing on scarcity, you're aligning with the energy of wealth. You're telling the universe that you believe money is not only possible but inevitable in your life. Repetition is key in manifestation because it creates neural pathways in your brain that strengthen your belief systems. By repeating, "Money flows easily to me, and I am worthy of receiving it," daily, you're training your mind to focus on abundance rather than limitations. The more consistent you are, the more effortless it becomes to attract wealth. Think of repetition as a muscle, just like physical exercise. The more you practice, the stronger your manifestation power becomes. Every time you repeat the affirmation, you're reinforcing your desire for financial freedom, and you're rewiring your brain to look for opportunities to receive. Over time, this repetition builds momentum and allows wealth to flow into your life at a faster pace. The law of attraction works best when you're clear and consistent with your intentions. When you make the affirmation a daily practice, you're sending out a powerful signal that wealth is your reality. This clears any doubt or negativity that could block your manifestation and amplifies your ability to attract money effortlessly. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about aligning with the energy of abundance. When you repeat the affirmation, "Money flows easily to me and I am worthy of receiving it," you're not only changing your mindset, but you're also shifting your energy. By focusing on wealth and abundance, you elevate your vibrational frequency. Wealth is a high vibration energy, and the more you align with this frequency, the more opportunities will come your way. When you consistently say the affirmation, you begin to feel more confident in your ability to attract wealth, and your energy naturally draws in what you desire. Your actions and decisions also begin to reflect this new energetic alignment. You may find yourself making smarter financial choices, taking calculated risks, or finding ways to increase your income. The universe rewards those who are in alignment with abundance, and as your energy shifts, the flow of money follows suit. Visualization enhances the manifestation process. As you repeat, "Money flows easily to me, and I am worthy of receiving it," take a moment to visualize what wealth looks like for you. Picture yourself living the life you desire, traveling, investing, or enjoying the financial freedom you've always wanted. The more vivid your visualization, the stronger your attraction power becomes. Imagine the feeling of financial security, the joy of receiving unexpected money, and the peace of not having to worry about bills or debts. This visualization amplifies the energy you're sending out into the universe and helps you attract exactly what you've imagined. Incorporating visualization into your daily affirmation practice makes the experience even more powerful. As you see yourself in a state of abundance, your energy becomes aligned with that vision, and the universe begins to reflect that back to you. This alignment between thought, energy, and action propels you toward wealth faster than you could ever imagine. One of the most powerful ways to attract wealth is by clearing limiting beliefs that tell you that money is hard to come by or that you don't deserve it. Often our subconscious mind holds on to these outdated beliefs, preventing us from fully stepping into our power to manifest. As you repeat your affirmation, take a moment to identify any beliefs that might be holding you back. These could be thoughts like, "I'll never be rich," or "money doesn't grow on trees." When you notice these limiting thoughts, counteract them by affirming that you are worthy and capable of attracting wealth. By replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones, you open yourself up to receiving money at a much faster rate. Your beliefs create your reality. The more you let go of scarcity and accept abundance, the quicker wealth will manifest in your life. Patience is crucial when manifesting wealth. While it's powerful to repeat your affirmation, it's also important to trust the process and not obsess over when or how the money will come. The universe has its own timing, and your trust allows everything to unfold naturally. As you repeat, "Money flows easily to me, and I am worthy of receiving it," trust that the universe is already working on your behalf. Sometimes opportunities may show up in unexpected ways, so keep an open mind and be ready to take action when they arise. Trusting the process helps you to stay aligned with abundance without forcing things to happen prematurely. By letting go of the need to control how your wealth will manifest, you allow the universe to bring it to you in the best possible way. When you stop worrying and start trusting, you'll be amazed at how quickly the flow of wealth enters your life. While repeating your affirmation and visualizing your wealth is important, it's equally essential to take inspired action when opportunities arise. Manifestation isn't about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It's about staying open and being ready to take action when you feel guided. Whether it's launching a business, investing in a new opportunity, or finding ways to grow your wealth, inspired action is key. When you repeat your affirmation, trust that the universe will provide the steps for you to follow. Stay alert, and when the time feels right, act. Every step you take in alignment with your goals will bring you closer to manifesting wealth at a faster speed. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools to amplify wealth attraction. When you repeat the affirmation, "Money flows easily to me and I am worthy of receiving it," pair it with a sense of genuine gratitude. Recognize and appreciate the financial blessings you already have, no matter how small they may seem. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, allowing you to see opportunities you might otherwise miss. By appreciating every dollar that comes into your life, you're sending out the energy that you're ready to receive more. This act of gratitude strengthens your affirmation and aligns your vibration with the wealth you seek. Keep a daily gratitude journal where you write down all the financial gains you experience, such as unexpected discounts, bonuses, or even someone buying you a coffee. These small wins build momentum and show the universe that you value and welcome abundance. Footnote: over time, this practice not only attracts more wealth, but also helps you maintain a positive and abundant mindset. Keep in mind that gratitude isn't just about material wealth. Appreciate the non-material abundance in your life, relationships, health, and opportunities, which all contribute to a prosperous and fulfilling life. The more you focus on gratitude, the stronger your energy to manifest becomes. Many people unknowingly block wealth by resisting the act of receiving. This resistance often stems from feelings of unworthiness or guilt. When you say, "Money flows easily to me and I am worthy of receiving it," it's essential to truly believe that you deserve abundance without any hesitation. Notice if you have any internal resistance, such as discomfort when receiving compliments, gifts, or help. These small behaviors reflect larger blocks that may be hindering your ability to receive financial abundance. To overcome this, consciously practice accepting with gratitude and joy, knowing that you are worthy of every blessing. Another form of resistance is holding on to past financial failures or setbacks. These negative memories can create energetic blocks, preventing wealth from flowing freely. Let go of these past experiences by reminding yourself that they don't define your future. Your affirmation is a declaration of your new reality, one where wealth comes to you effortlessly. It is a reminder that no matter what you experience, you are not blemished. You're not broken. As you work through resistance, you may notice a shift in how opportunities present themselves. Doors that were previously closed begin to open, and financial blessings start appearing in unexpected ways. Accept these changes and trust that they are a reflection of your newfound openness to receiving. Manifesting wealth isn't just about attracting it quickly, it's about sustaining it for the long term. As you repeat the affirmation daily, use it as a foundation to build a mindset that supports lasting abundance. This means shifting from a focus on scarcity to one of consistent prosperity. A sustainable wealth mindset involves balancing attraction with practical financial habits. While affirmations align your energy with abundance, complement them with actions such as budgeting, saving, and investing. These habits show the universe that you're ready to handle the wealth you're attracting responsibly. It's also important to cultivate a giving mindset. When you share your wealth, whether through donations or helping others in need, you create a cycle of giving and receiving. So for me, this flow reinforces your connection to abundance and strengthens your manifestation efforts. The more you give from a place of generosity, the more the universe will provide for you. Celebrate your financial achievements, no matter how small. Recognize each step as progress toward your goals, and use your affirmation to keep your mindset aligned with abundance. Over time, you'll notice that not only does wealth come to you easily, but it also stays with you, supporting a life of freedom and joy. Now that you have the key to manifesting wealth, recall the power of repetition and staying aligned with abundance. By repeating the affirmation, visualizing your success, letting go of limiting beliefs, and trusting the process, wealth will flow into your life effortlessly. Keep your energy high, take inspired action, and watch the universe bring you exactly what you desire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you're staying connected to more powerful manifestation tools that will help you achieve all your financial goals. Stay open, stay patient, and recall, wealth is already on its way.